How to add Apple Pay to Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome. Today I will show you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store and this is where you will get. We want to add Apple Pay as our payment method to receive money on Shopify. It's really easy to do. You will click on settings right here and it will open up the settings. Now simply go to payments right here. It will open up different payment methods for us. We have payment providers, supported payment methods, and manual payment method as well. So you can go to your supported payment methods and search for Apple Pay. Okay, if it's not found here, then you can simply go back and open up payment provider. Now we will select a third party that will allow us to simply add Apple Pay. So if we just scroll down, I will be able to actually find Apple Pay. You can see right here we have CyberSource, which allows us to add Visa, MasterCard. Then we have American Express, Discover, JCB, and Apple Pay as well. Then here's another one, First Data Pay Easy. It also allows us to accept different credit cards and Apple Pay. Then I can just scroll down and look for more. This one as well, Ignite Payments, also provides Apple Pay. This one as well, Stripe is one of the very famous option and it gives us all of the different credit cards and then Apple Pay. So you can select any of these different methods or you can search for Apple Pay here as well if you want, and it will show you where Apple Pay is available. I will simply go to Stripe right here and I will simply log into my Stripe and connect my Stripe to Shopify. After that, I will be able to accept payments on my Apple Pay. So this is how you can also go ahead and add Apple Pay to your Shopify. Simply go to your payments and then go to third-party payment providers and simply add any of the method available to get Apple Pay. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.